Okay, so let's take a look at how we can track the grocery price in Airtable. So we will start from scratch and we will use the default template but removing those fields. So if we remove these three, we are good to go, right? So the thing is, first being the name field, we will edit this to number and make it auto number, right? Next thing is we will use item field, which is going to be single line text, right? Then we will use category field, right? So here we are going to use various types of choices. So we will use multiple select, and here you can use, let's say, things like food, kitchen items, not necessarily food but non-food items. Then let's say bathroom items, right? Overall. Then you can also use cleaning items, and then finally miscellaneous items within the grocery budget, right? Now the next thing, we will also add price, which is going to be a number, right? So let's take a look at number, right? It's going to be decimal 1, precision up to 3. Create the field. We can use unit, again a number. Units are integer, so no floating values, right? Then we use that, so integer, create field, right? Then we have specific dates on which we are purchasing things. So friendly includes time, 24 hours, and we create field, right? So the next thing would be to check simple thing like which store, so it will make use of single line text, and finally notes, right? It will be also single line text, create the field. Now the next thing would be let's say starting from item, and I choose cleaner powder, so it should be for kitchen, so we use kitchen item. Then we set the price 8.99, unit 1, then date today, right? So 2nd Jan. Then store is, let's say, typical stores like marts. Then we have notes, morning order, right? And that makes our first entry, right? And here you see the number, which is auto number. Each time we add entry with form, then it will keep on adding additional entries. So to show you that, can create a form, give it a name, grocery price tracker, and you can also use grocery price budget tracker, use personal, so you don't have to share it with anyone to edit. Create new view, right? And as you can see, this is your form. So let's take a look at it in new tab. You can add additional details at the top to give you an idea what are you tracking, right? So let's see, if I say water filter cleaner, right? And for that I will choose, let's say, cleaning item, then price 19.99, unit 1, then date, today's date and time. Then we have store, which is going to be something like data store data mart, right? So notes, afternoon purchase, right? And we submit this, right? So our typical grid view should have this entry now, right? So if we check, the fourth entry goes here. For that we have time, unit, date and other nodes as well. Notice that it will add the fourth entry and not second, third, because they are already generated, so it will push the entry into down below. So this is your grocery price tracker in Airtable.